Call cycle and scheduling. Planning your next call at the end of an order. On the summary screen before uploading an order, tap on Plan a Call in the top left of the screen. The available call types you can choose are customizable. However, you should see in-store visit, phone, and email by default. Once you select the call type, the Apple Calendar pop-up will open. The date will be set by the visit cycle period if you have this field filled in on the retailer screen. However, you can alter the date and time here to suit yours and the customer's schedule. The store name and address will automatically populate from the retailer you are currently taking the order for. Once you're happy with the appointment details, you can tap Add in the top right of the pop-up to save it. This will now be in your Apple Calendar and appear on your schedule on the day the call is due to be completed. Don't forget that you can be using your schedule to remind you to email or call customers between visits.